Let's take someone. कतिजनाले यहाँ join गर्न खोजिरहनु भएको छ हैन. Let's take someone and see what they have to say. Okay. Let's do that. Hello.
Hi, Malvika Di. How are you?
All good. Yako शुभ नाम.
I'm just a fan of yours. I'm from Butwal.
धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद. के छ बुटवलको हालको? यहाँको शुभ नाम?
Dipesh Lama.
Dipesh ji. How are you? सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ?
सन्चै यहाँको हालत त एकदम हरेक घरै पछि कोरोना
I know. मैले त्यो सुनेको थिएँ त्यो एरियाको बारेमा. तपाईं अहिलेसम्म सेफै हुनुहुन्छ?
हजुर सेफै छौँ हामी त.
Okay. आज हामीसँग वेक हुनुहुन्छ. I don't know if यहाँले वेकको कुनै सङ्ग्सहरु सुन्नु भएको छ कि छैन भनेर. I just want to quickly, if you have any questions for Vek or for me, that would be so great.
Actually, I just got no one. आजै मात्रै चिने हो मैले.
No worries. Happens.
Yes.
So Vek, this is your perfect opportunity. Vek's perfect opportunity is to sing at least one line of any song that you like and then impress our audience.
Wow.
Just sing one line.
So what am I supposed to sing? मैले भन्नुपर्ने कुनै गाना कि उहाँको गाना भन्नुपर्ने?
तपाईले उहाँलाई चिन्नु नै हुनु भएको गाना कसरी भन्नुहुन्छ? हजुर यहाँ सुन्नु मात्रै.
तिम्रै यादमा बाँचेको छु जता जाऊँ तिमीलाई नै पाउँछु म त तिम्रै यादमा बाँचेको छु तिम्रै यादमा बाँचेको छु तिम्रै यादमा Thank you so much, Big Dai. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Yes. Thank you so much for watching, Dipesh.
Everyone. Stay safe.
Bye. Yes, I learned how to remove someone. Okay, let me just add someone else.
Hello, Pandit.
Hi.
Hi, Vek.
Hi.
Thank you for joining me.
आफ्नो परिचय दिनुस् न.
मेरो नाम चाहिँ बिङ्मा तामाङ अनि म चाहिँ खम्बुबाट.
वेकको कुनै फेभरेट सङ भनिदिनुस् न. यहाँ आज हामीसँग वेक हुनुहुन्छ.
हजुर मलाई मन पर्ने चाहिँ के त्यो बोल चाहिँ आएन तर नसुने चाहिँ गरी मेरो वाला.
Okay, Vek has to give some reaction. Vek. Okay, mine's so quiet.
So,
quick reaction.
Wake up, Vek, wake up.
अनि म चाहिँ भेकलाई के भन्छ अरे त्यो उसबाटदेखि फलो गर्थेँ कि ऊ चाहिँ पहिला गिगहरू गरेर हुन्थ्यो नि त अनि पछि उसको एकदम बिगेस्ट फ्यान हो म चाहिँ.
धन्यवाद.
अनि अब के भन्ने अनि मालविका दिदीको त झन् कुरा नगरौँ. बिगेस्ट मालविका दिदीको एभ्रिथिङ बोल्ने शैलीदेखि लिएर तपाईँको हुन्छ नि त्यो सोजहरू हुन्छ नि जस्ट फलो गरेर आएको हुन्छु म धेरै जस्तो.
Thank you so much. I just wanted to quickly ask you, तपाईँलाई वेकको रियल नाम थाहा छ?
विवेक वाइवा.
And nice. Vek, I don't think Vek is impressed. Real name, but that is who you are. Right? That's who you are. Okay, thank you so much, Mani. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Didi. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for joining.
अब अझै होइन योभन्दा बवाल गर्नुपर्छ ल. अझै दामी गीत मैले बिहान पनि भेकको गीत सुन्दै थिएँ कि ज्याक राई र भेकको एउटा गीत आई डोन्ट नो के थियो त्यो होइन.
End of the world.
बवाल.
Oh, thank you so much, Ringma. Bye.
Bye, Didi. Bye, Vek.
Bye. Bye.
Oh, so sweet.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, यहाँको शुभ नाम?
मेरो दिपा हो. म कोभिड भएर बसिरहेको छु सो डोन्ट माइन्ड मेरो यस्तो देखेर.
That's alright.
तपाईँले कस्तो भन्नु भएको?
So you can.
Are you okay, Diva?
Yeah, now I'm feeling better. It's
Well,
been
How many days for you?
9 days, so I'm not able to following Malvika Di also. Okay? एकदमै
हजुर।
गाह्रो भएर सुतेको सुते नत्र म मालविका दिलाई एकदम जे पनि हेरिरहेको हुन्थेँ अहिले चाहिँ म एकदमै गाह्रो भएर आजदेखि चाहिँ अलिकति बेटर फिल भइरहेछ
Oh, that's so good. I hope you feel better soon. Chitto nico hunus.
थ्याङ्क यू दि
Okay.
एन्ड स्टे
So-
सेफ हजुरहरू दुवैजना
Thank you so
Thank
much. So, Vik, like, तपाईँ के क्वेसन सोध्न चाहनुहुन्छ?
आइएम सो सरी प्लिज मैले उहाँलाई कहिले पनि फलो पनि गरेको छैन चिनेको पनि छैन आइएम सो
That's
सरी
alright.
No, that's alright. That's alright. Vik will not mind.
Yeah, I
This
need
whole
to go
idea
a lot
of this
more.
Instagram is just to let people know who Vik is as an artist. And if
Yeah.
somebody I really, really love and admire his work. So, अब दिवाजीको काम since तपाईँ घरमै हुनुहुन्छ युट्युबमा जाने Vik
Okay.
official भनेर सर्च गर्ने उहाँको नयाँ song सोच is out now. Amazing, wonderful song, sir. You will love his music. There's no doubt about that. So please go do that.
ओके दि मैले स्क्रिनसट लिएँ डोन्ट माइन्ड
No worries.
थ्याङ्क यू सो मच थ्याङ्क यू वे
Thank you so much. Please get well soon.
Yup,
थ्याङ्क यू
get well
दिदी
soon.
बाई
Bye.
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 Okay, we need some real Vik fans out there to please come on the live. I will add you and you better ask questions to Vik. And it's okay. I mean, a lot of people don't know me either. कतिजनाले मलाई लाइभमा यो को
I'm like,
भनेर सोचिहाल्छ मलाई नै. So I think that's
Exactly.
fine.
Well, it's the Quran. They're like, you know, that motivates me to work more. I'm like, I haven't done things yet, Manu. There are people who don't know me yet.
Let's see.
Hi. Biggest night. Cheers, man.
सुरुमै.
मैले दिललाई देखाएको चाहिँ छु तर कसै फलो चाहिँ गरेको छैन दिललाई चाहिँ
Hi, Biplav. सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ?
हजुर एकदम सन्चै छु हजुरहरू
एकदम I'm good. Thank you so much. हाम्रो लाइभमा जोइन हुनुभएकोमा. So please ask a question to Vik.
हजुरको जुन भने एउटा गीत चाहिँ गाइदिनुहोस् न भनेर रिक्वेस्ट गरेको क्या
ए मैले कुन गर्नु गाइड
फेरि अघिदेखि हेरिरहेको नसुने चाहिँ गरियो मेरो कुराहरू आज फेरि बिसाउँदै तर्के नजर नलाउन माया साना साना कुरा नबुझी भए नभए चाहिँ खुसी रिसाउँदै हात छोडी नजाउन माया लु गजलु आखिरमा कति बनाएर मलाई नराख माया मेरो एकचोटि सुनिदेऊ न कुरा फेरि हेरिदेऊ न मलाई तिम्रो मनमा मुस्कान लिएर माया मेरो एकचोटि सुनिदेऊ न कुरा फेरि हाँसिदेऊ न फेरि तिम्रो मनमा मुस्कान लिएर
Thank you so much, Vik. Thank you, bye for joining in.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah. I'm like, well, keep going with that. I think we're taking questions. Let's just take questions over. Please.
People want to listen to your songs. Hi.
I'm simply wait. Hi.
So cute. Hi.
Vik, I love you so much.
I love you too. Thank you.
How old are you,
My name is
baby?
Fiona.
Your name is
Fiona?
Fiona. Okay, how old are you?
9.
Oh,
Oh.
9. That's good. तपाईँले भेकको गीत
Ma'am, you are the best Miss Nepal.
तपाईँले साँच्चीकै आफै भन्नुभएको हो त्यो कि कसैले पछाडिबाट भनिरहेछ
I know happy honey.
Oh, so cute. So wait, so Fiona, तपाईँले भेकको गीत सुन्नुहुन्छ?
Sunju.
Okay, so Vik, this is like something, you know, class 9 when you see you are 9 years old, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 9 years old भनेपछि अलिकति बच्चाहरुले सुन्न मिल्ने गाना पनि अब क्रिएट गर्नु
So this is the kind of pressure I was talking about, remember? I'm like,
Yeah.
there are a lot of people listening to you right now, so yeah.
Fiona, do you want to ask any questions?
No, ma'am.
You don't want to ask any questions? All right, thank you for watching us.
Thank you.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
So cute.
See, exactly. This is the pressure I was talking about. Like, there are a lot of people listening. Should I do this or not? There are a lot of things I have to think about before uploading. Like, this is Carol.
Hi, Sana.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good, Didi. Last time धेरै कुरा गर्नु पाएन है.
No.
Next time आउनु न, next time भेट्नुपर्छ फेरि.
Yeah, sure. So Sonam meet Vek meet Sonam. Sonam
Hi.
is managing अहिले Hankook Sarang manage गरिरहनु भएको छ उहाँले.
Yeah,
Hankook Sarang and I also run हाम्रो The New Barber भन्ने brand.
Yeah. So he cuts hair too, by the way.
Oh, that's dope.
Actually, I don't cut hair anymore है दिदी फेरि. मान्छे
Not anymore. Why?
Because हाम्रो already हाम्रो team छ, so teamले एकदमै राम्रो गराछ, so I don't have to be there. So
And
राम्रै
you're the
भइरहेछ.
boss now.
That's dope.
boss हैन. त्यस्तो boss पनि act गर्दिन. Just humble भएर काम गरिरहेको छु.
Okay, so we have Vek here. तपाईँले Vekको music त definitely सुन्नुभयो होला, Sonam.
मैले उसको एक्लै जुन सिके चाहिँ म क्लास 6 को मैले ज्योतिहरु चिन्छु, उसले चिन्छ होला.
हजुर.
Yeah.
Easy पनि मेरो फ्रेन्ड नै हो. So तर मैले उसलाई follow चाहिँ गरेको छैन. I'll make sure I'll follow him after.
Yes, please.
That's dope.
Sonam has taken one of my best photos as well.
Actually मान्छे धेरैले म फोटोग्राफर हो कि भनेर कन्फ्युज हुन्छ. So I'm not a photographer पनि. Just मलाई चाहिँ एकदम स्पोन्टेनियस हो कि म सुटिङ गर्दाखेरि. So
That's
Yeah.
nice.
त्यस्तो फेरि मान्छेले यो खिच्दियो त्यो खिच्दियो भन्छ. So I'm not like good at हुन्छ नि. त्यस्तोले प्लान गरेर खिच्दिन. But I love
So
this song.
Sonam just quickly याले पनि अब थुप्रै आर्टिस्टहरु पनि सुन्नुहुन्छ. You also love music, I know, definitely for sure. To Vek, do you have any like from an audience perspective, would you like to give him any advice? Would you like to say something to him?
Actually मैले उसको लाइभ चाहिँ सुनेको छैन. So I know his एक्लै जुन सिक्यो भने चाहिँ म एकदम मन पर्छ त्यो गीत चाहिँ. I think lyrics wise पनि एकदम राम्रो छ. But मलाई अब उसको गीतहरु म युट्युबमा हेर्दैछु अहिले.
Sure, please do that.
That's
Go
nice.
follow and see Soch as well. Soch is the Naya song that's absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, that dropped last Friday, so give it a listen, I guess.
Okay. And I will make sure follow पनि गरिदिन्छु म.
Yes, sir.
हजुर. ल thank you so much. ल
Thank you
bye.
so much. Good night,
Thank you so much for
Sonam.
joining.
Thank you. Pramesh, can you please send a request? Hi, Bharti. How are you?
Hi, Madhuri.
Hi.
How are you? Hi, guys.
All good, all good.
I was so not expecting this.
You sent the request.
I know I did, but it's like nearly 1 a.m. in the morning, and I was just waiting for you to accept my request.
So sorry about that. How is it down under?
Everything is perfectly fine.
Australia बस्नुहुन्छ. I know her through this pageant called जसमा अनुष्का पनि हुनुहुन्थ्यो. Mr. and Miss Nepal Oceania. She was the Mrs. Nepal Oceania winner of 2019, 18?
2018.
18, okay. So Vek meet Bharti, Bharti meet Vek.
Hi, Bharti.
I'm sure याले Vekको songs सुन्नुभएको छ होला.
सुनेको छु. मैले I think लाई पनि सुनेको छु अनि मालविका दिदीले she often posts and share videos on Instagram stories. So
Yeah, because she's
I
the
was like,
best.
yeah.
I hype him up for free.
No, I have listened to your song. Yes, I have, and I do have watched The Voice in past. So I know you from there. You had a very long dark hair. So
You hosted Voice of Nepal?
no. I watched. I said. I watched.
Oh, I thought that was like
एकदम Aussie accent में बोले. She watched Voice of Nepal. Aussie accent में pro बुझ्छ न.
हैन हजुरले मलाई इंग्लिशमा सोधिसक्यो नि त्यही भएर म नेपाली नै बोल्न रुचाउँछु.
तपाईँलाई त सुरुको Voice of Nepal नै हेर्नु भएको थियो रे. त्यही भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ उहाँले.
हैन नेपाली पनि आउँछ मलाई.
it's a way to connect with people, and I know it's really so it's a tragic. It's a tragic. I mean, Australia, Sydney, I feel very privileged to be here. किनकि कोभिड रेस्ट्रिक्सनले गर्दाखेरि पनि from the very beginning government ले सबै like they managed it very well, हैन. अनि people मान्छेहरूले पनि यो restriction को rules सबै follow गरेर for now everything is under control, but just looking around the world it breaks my heart. नेपालमा पनि obviously नेपालमा पनि every day त्यो news मैले त news पनि हेर्न छाडिसकेँ. Whatever I see is for your post and some other people that I follow. I get the news from them, but I have to stop watching the news because it's just hard.
Well, anyways, hopefully we'll definitely get out of it. Rachita, your situation clinically solve हुन्छ. अब हामी घरमै बसेर नै situation solve हुने हो कि अरु त्यो भन्दा के उपाय नै छैन हैन, to cut the chain, to break the wave that is. Thank you so much, Bharati, for watching. धेरै धेरै माया. Take care. Okay. Hi, Yojana.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
All good. How are you?
I'm fine too.
Thank you for watching our live.
Believe नै भइरहेछ छैन क्या.
Oh, so cute.
I'm almost gonna cry right now.
Why? Don't do that. So cute.
I feel so blessed. Oh my God.
Yay! Let's take a photo. Let's take a photo.
Yeah, of course.
Who's taking the photo though?
I'm taking the photo. Oops.
Okay.
Okay, I just took a selfie. Yay! Yojana, would you like to say something to Vik?
Yeah, like I'm so glad that I listen to your songs, and my ears are so blessed when I listen to them. Like I feel so happy, and I just have a kind of joy listening to your songs. So like keep it up.
Thank you very much.
Stay safe. That's all I want to say.
Thank you very much for the love.
Yojana, तपाईं के गर्नुहुन्छ? तपाईं स्टुडेन्ट हो?
Like yes, I'm a student.
Which class are you studying in?
I study in grade 8.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Okay, thank you for watching, Yojana. Good luck.
Thanks for joining.
Bye bye. Stay safe.
Bye. You too. Stay safe.
Okay, so that's the comments are off. Vik, anything that you'd like to say to all the fans who are watching? Everyone's all the well questions are like keep on the channel.
Oh, well, thank you very much for the love and support. Summer. You know, you guys are the reason that I'm still doing music with like someone. I mean, पहिला एकजना मान्छेले भन्नुभएको थियो क्या मलाई, if you have only one person, if there is only one person listening to my song, I will sing for him. Yeah, I'm like, the numbers, whatever, how many people are watching, how many people support you are just numbers. What you need is support. So don't stop believing in yourself. And don't stop believing in yourself. I'm like, the hard work and the real talent are gonna come out anyways. So I just want to say thank you very much for all the love and support you guys been given. I know. धन्यवाद.
मैले यस्तो साइड अफ Vik मैले कहिले पनि देखेको छैन. आज अलिकति पछिरहेको छैन because I've seen the different sides of Vik on different nights. अनि त्यही भएर आज एकदम सभ्य सौम्य भएको Vik को नि अलिक कस्तो पचाउन गाह्रो भइरहेको छ सबैजनालाई. I think everybody sort of knows who you are as a person also, right? So just very quickly before we end this live, Vik, just one last song and then we will end this live for today.
Okay. What song?
नसुने चाहिँ गरी मेरो कुराहरू आज फेरि रिसाउँदै त नजर लाउन माया साना साना कुरा नबुझी बहिनी नभए चाहिँ खुसी रिसाउँदै हात छोडी नजाउन मायालु गजलु आँखैमा कैदी बनाएर मलाई नराख्न माया मेरो एकचोटि सुनिदेऊ न कुरा फेरि हेरिदेऊ न मलाई तिम्रो मनमा मुस्कान लिएर माया मेरो एकचोटि सुनिदेऊ न कुरा फेरि हाँसिदेऊ न फेरि तिम्रो मनमा मुस्कान लिएर
Thank you so much. As I was like stalking you on social media and listening to all your songs on YouTube and this is कहिलेकाहीँ सोच्छु कि like हुन्छ नि आवाज मात्रै सुन्यो भने त it's like so easy to fall in love with your voice के अब के गर्नु भाइ भनिसके हैन त्यसमा त के जान्छ but just the voice I love your voice. Thank you so much. Keep being who you are and you are a genuine artist and keep putting all the hard work that you do. There are big things in plan for you. Good luck with everything.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for having me today. Very धन्यवाद. It's okay.
हजुर हस् भेट्दै गरौँ न